Hey everybody, welcome back. We're going to continue working on this Honda rincon I got here. Got some parts come in so we can fix it up. I got a new cam from Niche Industries. I've used them a couple times. Seems like it's all right parts. Kind of same as what came out of it. This new one, nice and black and clean. This is the old one. I never showed you guys last time what the actual issue was with it. This is the intake cam. Can you spot the difference? That intake cam lobe is completely wiped out on it. From what? I have no idea what would have caused that. No idea. Maybe low oil but the exhaust one looks fine, so I'm not quite sure what caused that. And since that cam crapped out, it took out the follower, lifter, whatever you want to call it, that the push rod sits in. It's all concave and gross. So we got two new of them. Got the gasket kit for it, which is over here. Also from Niche Industries. The part number is that, if you're interested in getting one, if you got to rebuild yours. Seems like it has everything I need in here. Head gasket, oil gasket, top end gasket, bunch of gaskets. Gasket kit, should have gaskets. So, we'll get you set up by the quad. And we'll start putting it back together and doing some cleaning and stuff. Okay. So I got both heads on the cylinder and the head all cleaned up. Got the new camshaft sitting in there. Held in with 4 10mm bolts. Get these guys in there. I looked up how to time it because I don't know everything. I like to pretend I do, but I don't. Why is that not going in the hole? Get in the hole. Here we go. Alright. Bring these down. I understand this is not extraordinarily exciting videos, but really appreciate you guys watching me. At any time, you can hit the subscribe button. I know it's a lot of just working on stuff right now, but the snow is going away. It was 10 degrees here today. Snow's melting. Almost time to go quadding. But the forecast says another 10 centimeters of snow this week, which can screw right off. Snow bad. Myself and my daughter are very, very anxious to go get muddy. We're gonna do the St. Charles mud run this year. I've done it a couple times, but this year is the first year that my daughter, who is 12 and a half at that time, will be doing it. She's really, really, really stoked. Okay, so on the head of the cam, I will show you on the old one. Cam gear. There is 3 lines. One here, one here, and this one on the bottom that's flat. So that has to be parallel with the cylinder head. Once that's like that, and I'm already on TDC, I can put the chain on. That's good. That's nice and free. The hole is up. Both cam lobes are facing down, which means it's on compression. Cut the zip tie and put that chain on. Always secure your timing chains if you're not taking them all the way apart, because if that dropped in there, that would suck. Okay, can I get this on? Oh, you're gonna fit, you bastard. Okay, so that's it like that. I will double check my marks here. If that's tight. No, I don't think that's right. Let's see. It's hard to see. Nope, I gotta move it a tooth. No, wrong way. How's that? Is that what we need there, gal? Is that what we need? Yeah, I wish I could see. I know you can't see, but you can see me struggle.
You need a light?
No, I need a measuring device. That's fine. They can hear me fart. I don't care. Okay, there's that. Yep, I need a measuring device. Let's see if I can make that work. There's one side. Oh, way off. Always take your time. If you're not sure, check. Check, check, and check again. Till you are 100% good enough. That. On it. That's way out. That one. What the heck? Uh-oh. I really hope my chain isn't stretched. Okay, I'm going to put it back to where it was, and I'm going to try something. No, that's backwards. That seems really close though. It wants to be right there. All right. Okay, so I got that on. Now, timing tensioner's on. Still have the bolt out. I'm gonna go 4 revolutions. See how it looks. That's boom. Power. Exhaust. Intake. And compression. And how's that look? Can you see? Tell me. Yeah, bugger. How's that look? I think we're good. Yep. I'm happy with that. It's tight. Clean all that up. So now, time to put the head gasket on. Okay. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm not good at filming yet. I'm literally just using my phone. So bear with me. Okay. Then that's the lower gasket, which I don't need. Head gasket. Does it say up or down? No. So it probably just goes on one way. Comme ça. Okay. Bring that down without hurting it too much. Come on. Oh, grease. There we go. Okay, it's on the dowels. That looks good. That's good. Okay. Let's see if we can get this head on there without too much fight. Alright. Goes like that. This is gonna be fun. There we go. Got it? Not yet. There it goes. Tunk. All right. Now we take the lifters, get some assembly lube. I just use white lithium grease. It works. It's slippery. Spray that in there. Get it all over the can. Give it some lube on first startup. 1, 2, nice and easy. Nice and easy. Oh yeah. Okay, now I gotta put all the 10mm bolts in. To put all these bolts in here all the way around, and then I put the valve assembly on there. I'm not going to make you watch me put in 6 bolts. I'm not that cruel.
Oh, you filming yourself?
Well,
No, it's okay, but I won't fucking swear.
No, you can swear. Dude, it's YouTube.
Oh, okay.
I don't give a shit. You should see some of the guys I watch. This is Mars. Fucking bulldozer. Where the hell? Like, that's annoying as shit. I'm gonna put all those little bolts in too yet. Like, I have no idea where the hell. What do you?
You just throw it in a little can, eh? You know, it wasn't even that, it was the cherry can.
Yeah. 1,
Which is it?
2, 3. Yeah, I don't have the fucking 4th one.
Well,
Congrats on the promo.
oh, thank you.
Yeah, it's this. One of those.
Like it can be. It's big. It's big.
I know. I know. Me. I don't know how the hell I lost that. Bye, love.
Have fun.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna throw some oil in there. I'm gonna have some kicking around.
Well, I'm pretty sure you're happy about the garage thing, eh?
Oh my god.
Turned out fucking pretty good. It's perfect for you.
Where the heck is it? There we go.
Perfect. Well, everything yet.
This is gonna be fun because they're not long, so they don't stay. Oh, I gotta get the gasket. Getting ahead of myself. Oh, that holds it. You know? Oh, look at that. Lines it up. Alright. It's on there. It's on there.
Yep.
Wow, those are gonna need adjusting. Holy.
Retune. Yeah, they want to start. They want to start doing that now, like putting antennas. Oh yeah, that's probably.
Yeah, because
Going
when we went to
backward.
Rednecks, you needed whips.
Oh really? Eh?
Yeah, well, because there was fucking
Wow, there's
lots of trucks everywhere.
Yeah, so they need to know where you are.
Yeah,
with the
and
lights,
it lights up, so it's cool.
right? Sick, man.
Okay, let's adjust some valves here, shall we, people? We are at TDC. Mine was, I think, 15 thou. Oh, this one. It's bent. Screwdriver. And all you want is a little bit of drag in between the rocker arm and the valve stem. That one. Turn this bolt in. Just keep moving it. Make it tight. Can't move. Back it off a little bit. Right there. And then just tighten down the lock nut. Yeah. So, I will do that 4 more times. And then put the covers back on. So the carbon and the gas tank. I'm not worrying about the exhaust. We're going to do a nice straight pipe first start.
That sounds good. That's cool. You want to come here with that plug in there? Is that
Yeah,
what you're stuck to do?
there should be a plug.
Oh, right here, the white one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Where's the other?
In here. So you're not in front. In the back. In here.
That's the fuel line. Where is my throttle position sensor? Oh, that's what I'm doing that. Where's my throttle position sensor? Okay, wire. Nope. Nope. Oh, there it is.
Where's that? What the fuck is that? Oh, that's just another. Okay, never mind. Thought it was just a spare boot that you just stuck in there.
It's got a snorkel that comes up like here.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
This one's not getting snorkeled. Not yet, anyways. Yeah. That's all. Get the gas tank after.
Yeah, even that you can push that after you know it's running
Yeah.
and shit, right?
Yeah, put that back on.
It's just air. Fuck off.
Yeah, I think we should have that.
What's that fucking wire? Oh, there's a mesh in there.
What the fuck did I just come over here? Oh, there it is. I'm like, why did I come over here? I gotta get a new fucking boot for this thing too.
Oh, that's for the fucking spark plug.
Yeah.
wire. Well, it's things you can fucking buy after.
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I mean, fuck, it's not bad. Like,
No.
got the garage for it. You'll see little things at a time. Well, look, you fucking strip all your bike. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
It's to get them to run, and
Yeah.
then okay, you know what? It's worth it.
Yeah.
Let's put money in it.
There's that, there's that. I don't care about the coolant lines yet. I don't care about the exhaust yet. How much oil does this thing have in it? So after I do this, I'm gonna do an oil change. Oh, lots.
Oh yeah, fuck yeah, it's full. It's full.
Good enough to start on.
So what do? You just sit the gas tank for now and just fucking plug her in? Yeah.
Yeah. Right there.
Oh, that's the one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's a Honda. Yeah, same as me. Fucking thing. You put gas in there, you?
Dude, I haven't.
Is it old gas? No.
Yeah, go around.
Oh, yeah. It's gas.
Yep. On. Okay. I'm gonna put this back in. Just because. Yeah, okay.
I just want to hear it fucking run, then I'll go back home after and get ready for it. Ready for bed.
For bed?
I'm fucking up early, man.
I've been up since 3.
Yeah, well, that's around that time, 3 or 4. I'm sitting having coffee.
Oh, it's been recording.
Well,
whatever.
So how? So did
Yeah.
put a carb
Yeah. So the carb's in. All right. Place your bets, people. You think it's gonna run? Hopefully.
Oh, what's the plug right here?
Oh, that's just a.
Oil.
It's a timing mark plug. It's. Where did I put that? Might be over here.
Oh, that's too small.
Yeah.
I know it's because I seen oil coming out.
Yeah.
So I'm like, so what do you do with it? Like, can you just you got gas you can spray in the car just to make it like prime? You know the first time, or you just keep turning it until she.
I'm just gonna keep fucking turning it.
Well, the gas has to go, right?
Yeah.
So by the time it goes in the carb and everything.
How does that feel now?
I got confidence.
Something's wrong.
It's not. Yeah.
I got no sock. I got no. Oh no, that's why I got no sock. It's not on there.
Oh.
Fucking scared the shit out of me. There we go. Let's try that now. That's all. Where's that primer?
Man. You can hear it.
That probably just a little bit cool.
Oh yeah. It's true because of the line, right?
Yeah, I'll just throw this fucking line on there quick.
Yeah. Just really quick so it doesn't piss all over.
Yeah.
She should go. Probably just got a primer a little bit. It's because the gas has to.
Yeah.
It's gonna hold. We heard a tut tut.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Put some gas in there. Come on.
What the fuck? Come on, honey. My bike started better than that.
I think you gotta go fucking. Oh, is that thing?
Where's the plastic? So I can see where it's supposed to fucking be. Down is on.
Down is on?
Yeah, maybe go to right to the top to res.
Okay, it's on res right now.
Because it is low, not much in there.
You try to push the Maybe you can push it farther down just to make her run, you know?
What the fuck?
What is the fucking gas or what? What do you want to do?
What have you done?
Because when you give her gas, she fires up.
Do it again.
Yeah, she'll probably just.
Yeah.
I'll let her pump. Okay?
Okay. That was a good backfire.
Yep.
What the fuck?
Okay?
Yep.
It's when you pry her, she wants to fucking go, but.
I wonder because it's straight pipes.
Maybe they don't like that.
But it's a 4-stroke. It should be fucking
Yeah.
fine. What the fuck? Come on, baby. What are you doing?
At least you hear it pop. That's
Yeah.
a good sign.
Yeah.
When you push it closer. Well, I thought because you would have pressed the primer, I could have kept it going for a little bit. Just to
keep doing
but,
that.
yeah, it
Oh,
doesn't.
they're fucking. It's gas.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
stinks.
No, it's just there's like nothing in it.
Oh, that's probably why. You know what works good sometimes too? We use good spray bottle. You know, with snow machines and stuff.
Yeah. Ugh. Don't need all of it, just some of it. Enough in there so we know it's full enough.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Perfect.
Sorry, that's not. Maybe gas will help.
Hopefully.
Let it sit for a minute, let it get in there. Fill the bowl. Okay, try it. Yeah, gas helps.
Fucking, it's loud, dude.
Yep. Well, it runs. Is it back together? Hell no. But it runs. Sweet. So yeah, now I just got to finish it. Lots of little shit. So I'll bring you guys back probably tomorrow. And I'll get this thing finished up and we'll take it for its maiden voyage. See you then. Okay. It's the next day. Got the engine all back together. Ran it, put coolant in it. Took it for a spin. And I had a couple issues with it. One, the oil temp light kept coming on. Found that the wire was broken off and unplugged, so I just fixed that up. That's fixed. But we're having a 4x4 issue. The 4x4 light is flashing 3 times, which means there's an issue with the position sensor for the 4x4. It doesn't know where it is. So, it was saying to check this connector. So I checked the connector and I checked for continuity and I was getting nothing. Okay. So take this all the way off, test this. This is fine. So got digging a little farther and on the diff, there is 2 little wires. You can't see it right now, but these 2 little wires they go inside the connector, like the actual front diff. So to fix that, well, see if I can fix it, I have to pull apart the front diff on it. So pulling apart the front diff means I have to take the axle shafts out, take off a couple of these mounting bolts, this one, and there's one at the back. But I was wondering, I took it for a drive and it felt kind of squirrely. Put it up in the air because it's the first time I've actually had the wheels off the ground. And can you see the problem there? Can you? You have to look really close to see it. That wheel bearing is poached. I was also wondering why the brakes didn't feel right. And then, looking more, something wrong. For some reason, this is off, and they put it on here. Which kind of makes me think they knew about those wires and they were starting to take it apart, or no, they were probably starting to do this bearing and they said, nah, I'm out. So that's what I'm doing now. Let's pull apart this front end, get this diff out, see if I can redneck fix this thing, because I am so cheap. I'm not buying a whole unit for 2 broken wires. I think I can fix it. And if I can't, then I gotta buy one. But it's worth a shot. So let's see what we can do. Come on, focus on me. Sure. All right. You know what? I'll bring it in when I have it out, when I have more stuff apart. It's gonna get boring. Okay, got the new part. Luckily, there's a used Power Sports guy about an hour from me. Bent Toys out of Redbridge. Got this, he had it in stock. It feels a lot better than the old one. Already got it on. I'll have to kind of fix that a bit. I don't have a new seal. I kind of heard it. But throw it back in and throw the axles back in. I also changed the wheel bearing. Easy job. Hammer, punches. They're pretty simple to do. So we'll get that back in. Get this thing back down on its wheels. Because then after the 4x4 is fixed, all I got to do is put some plastic back on and this girl's done. And then we'll go for a rep. Okay, she's done. Running all back together. Put my sticker on it. She's cold-blooded though. She doesn't like starting up when it's cold. You got to sit there and kind of rev it up until it warms up a bit. So let's go for a spin. I got the 4x4 fixed up. Go. Ow. Ow, it's freezing rain, this hurts. So there we have it. There we have it. It's all put back together, running good. It needs some fresh gas and some sea foam to clean out that carb a bit, but other than that, she's mint. Thank you guys if you've watched the whole video. It means a lot. I'm trying harder to film stuff. I'm getting there, but hopefully it will get better. But if you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe, comment. If you want, I have my stickers for sale. Give me a message. Have a good one. Thanks. Bye.